Hello, this is Mrs. Secor, and we're going to do 2 pages in our notebooks today. It's about angles and how we name them. So if you could find this page in your notebook. The definition of an angle. 2 rays with a common endpoint called a vertex. Here are 2 rays having a common endpoint. I'll just blow it up here a little bit. Let's call that common endpoint J. Remember, capital letters. And this ray will be J, C, and this ray to the right, J, H. So we have Chaminade Julian High School. Okay. Let's also call it a number in here. In the interior right here, we'll call this 2. All right, now we're going to name the angle in 4 ways. Well, we name an angle with 3 letters when we have, that's one option, and we have to put our vertex, which is J, in the center. So we could call it angle CJH. And here is the angle symbol, CJH. Now you could have reversed it just like a line or a segment, and we could go backwards, HJC, HJC. Now when we have one angle, it is possible to name it by its vertex. In this case, that would be angle J. And then you'll notice on the next page, when we have a lot of angles, we use numbers. This makes it easier to read. We'll call it also, we could call it angle 2. The next question says, now what is the vertex? And we said the vertex is J, that point. Okay, the end point J. Now let's name the rays, the 2 rays that form our angle. Well, we have JC. Remember, we have to put the end point first. JC. And we also have the ray JH, using our correct symbols. Next page. Here's the case where we have several angles. I think we can get 6 out of this, as a matter of fact. It says to name all the angles having the vertex A, and when possible, use numbers. Use numbers when possible. Do you see the 3 small angles? Angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. Angle 1 is made up of the rays AB and AD. So we'll just call it angle 1. Then we have angle 2, and we have angle 3. Now we're going to get a little tricky. We're going to combine angle 1 and angle 2. And how we'll write that, let's make it red here. I'm showing you an arrow where I'm going from this ray over to this one. How we'll write it is angle. Let's see, it goes BAE. A being our vertex in the center. Okay, now we could also do the combination of 2 and 3. And then that angle would be made up of ray AD and AF. So we have angle DAF. There is one more angle. It's the combination of all 3. It's a very large angle made up of ray AB and AF. So that angle would be called angle BAF. Now another question you'll be asked in tonight's homework is about interior, exterior, and on the angle. It says, is the point C in the interior of angle 1. So focus on angle 1. You see the rays A, B, and AD making it up. Is C in the interior? Yes, it's in between those two rays. So the answer is yes. All right, how about angle 2? Notice the rays A, E, and AD. C is in the exterior, so it's not the interior. So this would be no. C is not in the interior. All right, now let's take a look at angle BAE. I believe that's our red angle, BAE, this red angle here. Is C in the interior of that? Yes, it is. And thank you.